So dear students, so today I'll be taking the solutions entrance questions. So we'll be focusing mainly on the problems and few theoretical questions. So I'll be sharing the page now. Yes, I think I had to stop the video because it's affecting the bandwidth. So you can see the first question here. When the concentration is expressed as number of moles of solute per kilogram of the solvent is known as what? So again, a standard textbook definition question, correct? Whenever I see kilogram, whenever I see what? Kilogram. I'll just draw it. Yes, this kilogram. You can see here the option molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction. Correct? Molality. Correct? Molality is what? Not our liters, but in kilogram. If it is molarity, it is what? In liters. In kiloliters. Or in liters. So answer is what? Option B, molality. Molarity. This is a very easy question. Okay, so answer is what? Molarity. Fine. Now, let me take another important question. And all of these questions are of the previous year, in the sense very long back of the COMEDK. So the questions can be difficult. So that's what I have to focus on today's class. Let me clear everything. Question number 5. Which condition is not satisfied by an ideal solution? So we have to know, or we have to read the question properly here. Not satisfied. Yes. Alan has given me the right answer. Samadhi, can you just guess it out and let me know? See, for an ideal solution, what is the correct option? The volume changes 0. So our answer option A is correct. Obeys rule also correct. What about delta H enthalpy? Heat change is also equal to 0. That is all condition of what? Ideal solution. So the only thing which is not true is what? The entropy mixture is 0. So this is not satisfied. Option B is the answer. Yes. Very good, Arun. Very good. Your explanation is also correct only. Keep it up for the good explanation. Very good. So let me take the next question. I'll do a problem here. Okay, so we'll come to know. Yeah, the mole fraction of benzene in a solution containing 39% by mass in an organic solvent of molecular mass 122 is what? Correct. So somehow standard things that we should know is what is the molecular mass of benzene? Molecular mass of benzene. C6H6. Correct. 78. 12 into 6, 72. 72 plus 6, 78. I hope you guys should know this thing. Correct. We all know, always follow the triangle. What is the triangle? What is here? N number of moles. Number of moles. Correct. Here is what? Molecular mass or mass. Mass which is in grams. This is in mole. Correct? Yes or no? And here it is molecular mass or relative formula mass. relative formula mass. Correct? So the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 39% mass in organic solvent is how much? Of mass 122. So solvent they are given the mass, benzene also they are given the mass. I will just find what mole fraction of benzene. Mole fraction of benzene I have to find. So this I will do it on the whiteboard. So mass of the benzene is given in the question. 39 grams. Simple substitution, okay. Mass of the solvent is given 61 grams. Yes. Molecular mass of benzene. Molecular mass of benzene. That is given, that is found out as 78 grams per mole. Correct. Molecular mass of the solvent. Molecular mass of the solvent. That is also given in the question. 122 grams per mole. So, how do I find mole fraction of the benzene? I'll change the color of this. Yeah. Mole fraction of benzene. Very simple substitution. That is basically what, if I take this as x2, x is the mole fraction, W2 by M2 by W1 by M1 plus W2 by M2. Correct? So what is my mass of the solvent? This is my W1. What is mass of the benzene? W2. Because this is what my M2. And this is what my M1. So if you substitute everything, you'll get the answer. So please substitute everything and let me know what is the answer for this. Please substitute the thing and let me know what is the answer. Yes, I got the correct answer from Alan. 0.5. So once you substitute everything, you'll get what? 0.5 as the answer. Okay. So 0.5 I'll be getting. Now, let's see the next question. The mass of a non-volatile solute of molar mass 60 grams per mole that should dissolve in 26 grams of water to reduce its vapor pressure to 99% will be how much? Okay. Yes. So the key concept for this is, again, this is a direct question from the textbook. So if you do the NCERT properly, we can do this question also easily. So key concept is basically what? The relative lowering in vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solute. Okay. So this is relative vapor pressure minus, what is this thing? The pressure of the solute by the vapor pressure. This is equal to our same formula which I wrote in the previous page. W2 by M2 by W1 by M1 plus W2 by the same formula. Correct? And what is my P naught value? I'll just show it to you. This one. The P naught value. What is the value of this? 100. Correct? 100. What I have to find here? I have to find W2. I have to find this W2. I have to find. What is given here? This is my 99. Rest everything is given in the question. I'll just take the question one more time. The mass of a non-volatile solid of molar mass 60 grams per mole. That should be dissolved in 126 grams of water. Correct? 126 grams of water. Water already I will know what the molecular mass of water is what? What is the molecular mass of water? 18. Correct? And in how much grams it will be to solve? Very good. Very good, Alan. Yeah. 126. W1 is 126. W2 I don't know, but M2 is again what given as 60. Correct? Again given as 60. So here also it is 60. I have to find what? My W2. This is my 99. So I substitute everything and I can, yes, I have to substitute everything and I have to get the answer. So substitute all of these things and let me know what is the answer. 100 minus 99 by 100. 100 minus 99 by 100 equal to W2 by 60. W2 by 60 by W1 is what? 126 by 18 plus W2 by 60. So you have to solve this thing and let me know what is the W2 answer. You should let me know what is the W2 answer. So once you're solving this, you will get 4 as the answer. Yes, correct. 4.2 or 4, correct. So I can directly mark the answer as 4 here. This 4 I can mark. That's all. Now let me see the next important type of question which can come. 10 to what? 25 ml of 0.08 N. HCl neutralized with 20 ml of acid. So this is basically acid with base neutralization. The mass of NaOH present in 5 decimeter cube is how much? Okay. So this is all about what? Neutralization. So the key concept here is What is the key concept here? So the base, I'd write the acid. Correct? Base and the acid. So if I'm base, I'm taking it as N1V1. Acid, I can take it as N2V2. Correct? Now I define what the base N1. So acid is how much? N2 is how much? 25 into volume, 0.08. And what about my base N2? And base N1 is nothing but N1 itself. What is my V1? 20. So once I substitute this thing, what is my N2 value? This is getting neutralized, which means I have to put it as equal to. Once I do this thing, I can find what? My N1. So N1 is 25 into 0.08 by 20. Yes. I should be getting 0.1 as the answer. Once I get this, what is my N value? That already I got, that is in my N1. This is only my N value. Read the question carefully. The mass of NaOH, that is my base. I defined what is a mass, that is a weight in grams. Correct? I define what? The weight in grams. I have to, the mass is nothing but in grams. The weight I have to find. NaOH is what? My base, respectively. If you have any doubt, instead of base and base is what? My NaOH, and acid is my HCl. Okay. So what is my N now? The base, that is my N1. W by equivalent weight. This W only I have to find into volume, which is there in decimeter cube. N1 is how much? 0.1. W I don't know how to find. What is my equivalent weight? 40. NaOH. I think you know how to find the equivalent weight. Correct? Yeah. NaOH into 5 decimeter cube. So once you solve it, you'll be getting what? W is equal to 20 grams. This is super easy. Who is having doubt in this 40? Anyone is having doubt on how we are getting 40? Aaron is having a doubt. See, this is for the, I'll come back to this. What is the molecular mass of NaOH? NaOH, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. What about my sodium? Sorry. Yeah. How much is my sodium weight? 23. That's it. Very good. So if you add everything, I'll be getting 40. It's actually 39.999, but we'll take this 40 for easy calculation. So I hope it's clear. And again, I am not focused on the decimeter cube or the units here because I am only concentrating on what? The correct answer, 20 grams. 40 into 5 is 200. 200 into 0.1 is what? 20. 0.1 is basically what? 1 by 10. 20. Okay. Just to show you the calculation part. Okay, so let's see the next question here. So I think you have to do one question. For that I'll be giving you now. Yeah, 24th question. This I think you can do it. And let me know the answer. 24th question. Can you do it and let me know what is the answer? If you can't do, please message in chat optional. You need my help. Then I'll do it for you. Yes. So I got the correct answer. Option B. Very good. So I think this is a direct question. 0.05. Very good.